Hello everybody, Nigel with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench. Welcome aboard. Today is POCHER Day. Yes, it's Wednesday the 6th of November and this is the day that POCHER have just announced their brand new project coming very early next year. And there's a link in the description below this video to the video that they've just put up on YouTube. And there is also a link below in the description to the Top Gear video where you can go and look at a drive, their first drive of the real thing, in a very snowy, sleety Italy. It looks like he's having a lot of fun. So this is the beautiful Pagani Utopia, very new car, absolutely beautiful, V12, 850 horsepower, manual gearbox. Yes, manual gearbox. So it's made to make old people like me happy, old people that don't like these things because I can't stand them. I do like sequentials though. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to get my hands on this model. It looks like a stunning supercar, and when you look at the real thing, it's just unbelievable. It's up there. It's just up there. The interior is all like billet machined aluminium. There's leather everywhere. Even the carpets are leather. It's just stunning, and the lighting on the dashboard and everything. I didn't get a price. I didn't get to see how much it is. I know it's going to be a lot more than the POCHER kit. So yeah, talking about POCHER kits, not popper kits, POCHER kits. Here you can see the beautiful Porsche 917. That car is a legend, up there above any other in my opinion. Absolutely stunning car. So happy POCHER did that, and I'm so pleased with the job they've done on it. It is beautiful. So if you want to see that being built, you can see that every Saturday 8 PM on my channel, 8 PM UK time. And what I'm doing is building it and then sort of taking it apart and revisiting it and painting stuff and repainting stuff and doing some seam work and stuff like that. And just you know, stuff you might want to do to your model. I'm not spending loads of money on aftermarket and making bits and fancy machine turned aluminium and all that. It's just basically painting stuff and that. I'd love to go to town on one, don't get me wrong, but we shall see. And then down here you can see the beautiful Lamborghini Aventador, which was my last project from POCHER, my first project as an adult. I have built the Ferrari Testarossa many years ago when I was shorter, slimmer and had hair. But yeah, so yeah, really pleased with these two. If I'm honest, I think the Porsche is just above the Lamborghini, but of course in my heart as an old man it will be, because I absolutely love that car. It is an icon. But anyway, back to the subject, this beautiful Pagani. It is, if I said Pagani just now, I'm really sorry. I keep saying Pagani, and I think this is about the 5th take I've made of this video. So if I say Pagani, please don't pull me up on it. I know I'm saying it wrong, but it just comes out. So Pagani Utopia, what a car. Here we are. This is the model now, not the real thing. These are pictures of the model, and here we can see her from the front left. Just look at those wheels. I can't wait to see how POCHER are going to get around giving us that beauty. But they've certainly done it. That's the prototype model we're looking at here, and you can see how they've captured all the lines of the nose with all those massive scoops and curves and the lights and everything. It's absolutely stunning. And then moving along here, we can see a picture of the rear from the rear left, and note those exhausts, the quad exhaust coming out the middle of the tail. You know, beautiful V12 sound coming out of them. And also they've captured those lights beautifully. The rear lights are clear. And then the LEDs all light up red, just like they do on a European Mustang. There you go. See, I knew there was something in common. I should imagine the value of a Mustang would just about buy you one of the wheels on that one. And then here we've got a left side view on. Look how they've captured that air scoop in the front arch, that big passage there that allows the high pressure to get out the wheel arch. It's probably cosmetic more than anything, but you know, we do like to get the pressure out of our front arches, don't we, lads? So there we go. And also look at the way they've picked up those front straps. They're absolutely gorgeous. Well, the front and the rear. Those leather straps that hold everything down. It's really going back into the old times with that on there. Beautiful, like the old race cars, wouldn't it, with the big leather straps holding the bonnet down. And then here we've got a picture of the interior. The interior looks stunning, and they've captured it beautifully. As it says in the Top Gear video, it's all leather and metals, leather mats, leather everything, and there's just billet machined aluminium everywhere, and it looks stunning. The steering wheel is from a lump of aluminium apparently, so billet machine, beautiful. If you wonder what billet machined means, because a lot of people like to use it to make their parts sound amazing, billet machined basically means you take a lump of aluminium, which is called a billet, or a lump of any material, which is called a billet, and you machine it from it. So it just means it's really, what they should say is not cast, really, or not molded, or whatever. But yeah, so the body of this is not billet machined, but if I turned a block of aluminium into a 1-inch bar, then that's billet machined. So that's what it means. It's just a bit of a fancy term, really. So yeah, now moving on to the front right. Look at those straps again, holding the bonnet or the hood down, whatever you want to call it. And also of interest, those headlight covers. Look at those headlight covers, how they it looks like they clip in, because I can't see any signs of any glue or double-sided tape or anything like that. So they do look good. They look lovely. And then moving on to the rear left, we have those lights again. You can see the fittings around the inside hidden away. And also notice through the mesh at the bottom, through the grille there, we can see some detail inside, showing we've got a very detailed engine and transmission and everything. So that'll be exciting to see. And then on the rear end, we have the Utopia badge. That's going to be a metal decal. So don't forget, put that in some warm water and put it on. Don't try and peel it off and snap it. And also note the paint. Something worth noting, it was the same with the Lamborghini. They've got the metallic just right. A lot of car paint manufacturers, I've seen it on a lot of model cars, they kind of use the original paint, and when you look at it, the metal flake is always too big in scale. You know, obviously a metal flake full-size car might have a 0.5 square millimeter flake in it. Well, you put that on a 24th scale car, it's 24 times too big. So that's one of the things that always annoys me. But the model paint manufacturers seem to have got it off. And then finally here, looking at the nose, you can see the beautiful lines of the car. Absolutely stunning. All that sort of glazing in the roof and everything. And you can also see the mirrors there. They are those mirrors, and if you watched the Top Gear video, you've seen how they fold in. Absolutely stunning. They look lovely. They're hanging on their stalks rather than being supported through underneath. So yeah, and also note when you watch the video from Top Gear, all the carbon fibre everywhere. It's just stunning. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe. Hit the like if you'd like the video. Give us a thumbs up. And as I say, hit the notifications bell and you get notified of when I'm putting videos of that one out. And also, as soon as I get this Pagani, it will be reviewed, and you may well see it, the unboxing here first. We shall see. But I'll get one in probably January time, and then you'll all get to see what's in the box. So no doubt POCHER will have a pre-order available, so you can go and order yourself one. Give you something to give yourself a little present for Christmas, if you like. But I am told by POCHER that it should be available around about January time. So that probably means, you know, the first review samples will probably be going out around January, and then the kit will probably be available to purchase sometime in February, I'd have thought. But it just depends on, I know that every manufacturer now is having issues with getting stuff transported around the world. It's becoming increasingly difficult and very, very costly as well. Speaking to Gary at Tiger Hobbies about that. Unbelievable. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. As I say, go look at those links down below, and let's all look forward to that one after Christmas. I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.